Hello, Brother Oral.
Hello, Brother Ernest.
Praise the Lord.
Yes, praise his name.
How is your lovely wife?
In perfect health. And your beautiful children?
The joy of my life. And how are you feeling?
Well, my bursitis is acting up again. When I tried to shave this morning, I couldn't raise my arm.
The pain is here in your shoulder. The pain will disappear if you believe.
I believe.
The pain is going away. The pain is going away. It's going. It's gone.
You're right. It's a miracle. The pain is all gone. I can't thank you enough.
What did you say? My hearing, I'm having trouble. It comes and it goes.
You will hear again. You will have no problem with your hearing. Can you hear me?
Not now. You have your hands over my ear.
Believe me, you will hear, and you will hear right now. Say, baby.
Baby.
Say, baby.
A baby. I'm cured, Oral. I'm cured. Thank and praise the Lord. I'll see you later.
Just a minute, Brother Ernest. I've been wanting to talk to you about all the money you make on your television show.
Well, what about it?
You stole one of my ideas. Faith Healer's bubblegum cards.
Yes, I cleared over $5 million on that one.
But stealing is a sin. And you call yourself a faith healer.
Well, I am. I healed my bank account.
Well, you hurt mine. You hurt it bad, and I had to give up 3 television stations, and I'm having trouble with my cash flow.
Tough. Heal thyself. If you don't like it, sue me.
We'll see about that. This hand here, you see this hand here? This hand is useless. You will never be able to use this arm again. It will fall by your side and stay there forever.
Oh! Oh! I can't lift my arm. All right, you started this and you're not going to get away with this. You will have a stroke, a permanent stroke, incurable.
You devil! You devil! Take this! Your leg is powerless. It will no longer support you. Your leg!
Oh! Well, that goes double for you. Oh. Both your legs are gone. You are crippled.
This has gone far enough. I'm ending this once and for all. You are having a fatal heart attack, and I mean fatal.
Oh! You'll never see me die because you're blind. Oh!
I think I won. I am the best. My hands are miracle workers. Can you hear me, Lord? Can you hear me, Lord?
Well, he might be able to hear you, but I'm still having trouble.
Who did that?